Hello and welcome to new Azure SQL Managed Instance video. Azure SQL Managed Instance now supports restoring full copy-only backups from AWS S3 Buckets. To do so, I am connected here to my SQL Managed Instance in SQL Server Management Studio. First, I need to create a credential that is targeting folder in my S3 bucket. After I have successfully created a credential, I can easily perform restore operation. And just like that, I have successfully restored a database in SQL Managed Instance from AWS S3 Buckets, and you can see it here. Thanks for watching.